Alright, time for one of my favorite lectures in the entire course, believe it or not. It's short and sweet, but I really like that it showcases a very viable alternative to the pie chart. So let's get started. We've got this insight covered already, so let's move on to this next one. We're looking at the breakdown of the cancellations from July and August by lead time, where it seems that the reservations made with more than 1 month in advance are the main source. So we want to show the composition of the cancellations by this category here, which is a textbook use case for a pie chart. So let's add one in here. Let's go to Insert, Pivot Chart, and select a pie chart. Press OK. And as soon as this pops in here, you'll see that the chart takes up way more space than it has any right to. And to be honest, that's the only real problem that I have with pie charts. They take up way too much valuable space, and honestly they are a little bit hard to label properly. So let's change the chart type. Go to Design, change Chart Type, and I'm going to select a 100% stacked bar chart. Press OK. And as I add this, you'll notice that we're getting a separate bar for each series here. But that's alright, we can switch the row and column here. And now they're stacked in the same bar. And as I did this, you'll notice that the row and columns were switched in the pivot table as well, since these are tied together. So now let's just take care of the formatting here. I'm going to get rid of the field buttons. Let's get rid of the chart outline as well. Get rid of the grid lines. Get rid of the axis labels. We can get rid of this total as well. Let's move the legend to the top here. And then I'm going to go to Format the Series. And I'm going to use a gap width of 0 this time. And that's going to make sure that my bars extend to the size of my whole chart. So now I can just resize this, add some data labels. Let's make this bold, white, and bigger, and do the same here. And honestly, we're good to go. We're clearly showing the composition of the cancellations by lead time.